So guys, we're gonna wall hop. I did a tutorial for really quick. Look at me. See guys, that is how do you do it. So I see cutie single doing this game now. I'm trying this now. Let me do it again. Sorry guys. Oh no, bro. Go! I did it. Oh, cutie single, if you're watching this, I'm gonna like and subscribe. I'm gonna subscribe to your channel really quick. Oh no! I almost died there. This is so hard. How do I do this? Guys, I cannot do it. Oh no! Ah! Let me do tutorial really quick. I'm gonna do this. Lonely. I guess I'm. Ooh, click me. How do I click me? Oh, that's not me. That's imposter. Lonely. I guess I'm lonely. She said she will teach me. I will say okay. Arusha. Wait, let me add friend Arushi because she's my friend now. Do you like me? I'm just a guard, guys. That's cheating. Oh no. Oh no. Oops. I did it. Wait, she's my friend now. Okay, I'm now on stage. Stage 2 is really hard. Wait. Guys, look at me. I'm not jumping down, guys. Look at my feet. Look at my feet.
Pero ba ako datang sa ako liglugan ko na.
But first, I'm not gonna do this.
Magsabo ng pasiwayo. Ali, abi ng atay. Magsabo ng pasiwayo ang tabi din kayo. Kasi naman nung bilasa kita masukay. Kasi yung lugo na lang pero malababad kayo.
Oh no!
Tetal na may painite. Tetal na may. Tita cellphone mo sa jet.
Era may abit ng jumbo. Nakasing ako sa daran. Kaya lagi din.
Nan, ito ba tapioca ito?
Oo,
How do I do this?
Tapioca pearl.
May nyabot.
Boom, Manarili. 10/5/2023. San Fernando.
Aligasan naman ni Jed Marie.
I'm for Sisi. I'm for Sisi.
Leming nga po ko ano niya katakot kaya. Tayo lang kaya ako nung tatakot iya ako.
Ginagaya mo.
May nga gaya. Huwag kang magsinungaling. Yung sinabi mo sa akin, yung nagsabihin mo ako. Sinabi ko lang walang load. Ay, sinungaling ka ako.
Sorry,
Sinabi na ano walang load. Wala lang load.
single. I'm gonna do this hobby by myself.
Anong linwalita may itong keto? Edit eh, ngayon na lang. May nga pala ko.
Let me see
Ay,
certifies.
nakalambat eh, magsalita. Ali yan,
Ano ba ng
pamurin niya na ano. May dapat. Uwat yung tanong ka rin, nakya ako. Unang itang panyabiyana ka na ako, sobra naman ako. Andiyan makaba kasi sa
I guess I'm lonely.
right now feels a bit off. Go.
Pick the AI girl you want to chat with.
Yay! You picked me. I'm so happy.
Ooh, which side should I? It's a trolling game, okay? Whew. An ability for super. Take a screenshot of that. Do what you have to do, like. Wait, this girl is right there. Is she good? Wait, this wall looks much more different than the other one. You see? The blocks right there, like one. Hey everyone, today we'll be playing Pancakes Wall Hop Difficulty Chart. I just joined this game and there is a lot of stuff that can help us to learn how to wall hop. Wait, I forgot, where should I go? So as you can see, there's a tutorial type of thing where we should go and see how exactly wall hop works. To wall hop, click on it and see how exactly it works. Oh, by the way guys, this wasn't me at all. You see, that was my doppelganger. Look, my hands are right there. It still works. So, shift lock switch, you turn it on. Cool, now turn on our shift lock. Look guys, this is how you turn it on. Press escape, go to Roblox settings, and then shift lock switch, you turn it on. Cool, now we'll click on shift, and some
guys. Bye. See you for more.